I am going to explain about the basic shapes in geometry. If you want to learn geometry, first we have to learn about what is point. So first I am going to explain about what is point. Just you place a dot with the sharp tip of your pencil on a book, it will give you some idea about the point. Place a dot with sharp tip of your pencil on a book. It will give you some idea about the point. And if you observe this point doesn't contain any geometrical shape or any geometrical measurement. Means what? No dimensions. For example, a geometrical figure which has no length, no breadth, no height. So a figure which doesn't have length, breadth and height is called a point. We can define the same point in another way. A circle without radius. A circle without radius is also called a point. I repeat, we can define the point in three ways. Just you place a dot with the sharp tip of your pencil, it will give you some idea about the point. A geometrical figure which has no length, no breadth, no height is also called a point. A circle without radius is also called a point. Okay. Okay. Now you take infinite points. Just in one direction. Set of infinite points in one direction is called a line. So what is a line? A set of infinite points in one direction. This is very important. Hope you understand what is meant by one direction. See, this is one direction. This is one direction. This is another direction. This is another direction. So all the points should belong to one direction. So set of infinite points in one direction, and which extends indefinitely in both directions. Means you have to keep one thing in your mind. Line has no end. A set of infinite points in one direction which extends infinitely in both directions is called a line. Okay, hope you understand. Now, already explained, this is a line, and you take a small part in it. Just you take a small part in it. Then this is called a line segment. So now, how can you define a line segment? A line segment is a part of line, is a part of line, and if you observe this, it has two endpoints. This is one endpoint and this is one endpoint. This is one endpoint and this is another endpoint, and it has two endpoints. It has two endpoints. I repeat, a line segment is a part of line and which has two endpoints. It has a limitation. It has a limitation. It's called a line segment. Now you take a fixed point. Just to take a fixed point, and you take infinite points in one direction. Okay, this is in one direction. Then this is called a ray. So how can you define ray now? A ray has one endpoint. A ray has one endpoint and which extends indefinitely in one direction. In one direction. So this is a ray. A ray has one endpoint and which extends indefinitely in one direction. So children, today I explained about what is point, what is a line, what is a line segment, and what is a ray. So tomorrow I am going to explain what is angle and how many kinds of angle we have.